Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove floating shutter on Samsung Galaxy S25. Here in my camera you can find any shutter. Just because I don't add any shutter yet on my camera, if I want to add the floating shutter, then I have to tap on this 4-dot button. Now you just need to tap on this gear icon to get the camera settings. Now from here you just need to scroll down until you find this this shooting methods, where you can find this floating shutter button option, and if you tap on it or enable this option, then you can find the floating shutter on your camera. This is actually the floating shutter. You can place it anywhere you want or you are comfortable with, and if you want to turn it off or remove from your camera, then you can go to the settings again, and from here you just need to find the shooting methods again, and from here you will find floating shutter button, and you can tap on it, and when this toggle button turn into gray color, that means you just turn off or remove the shutter button, the floating shutter button from your camera. Now here you can find any floating shutter button on my camera. So that's how you can simply add or remove floating shutter button on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So that's all. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.